अस्सलामुअलैकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज की वीडियो KMU-CAT कैंडिडेट्स के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि आज हम डिस्कस और अपलोड करने जा रहे हैं KMU-CAT का फर्स्ट टेस्ट पेपर जो 25 जुलाई को हुआ था। अगर आपने ये टेस्ट दिया है या टेस्ट देने वाले हैं या टेस्ट की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए 100% हेल्पफुल होने वाली है। तो चलिए बिना वक्त ज़ाया किए लेट्स जंप टू द फर्स्ट MCQ। Bile is produced by, correct answer is option B, that is liver, because bile is synthesized by hepatocytes in the liver and stored in gallbladder. The genotype AA is, correct answer is option C, that is homozygous recessive, because both alleles are same and recessive. The longest bone in the human body is, correct answer is option C, that is femur, because femur is a thigh bone that is 50 centimeters long. The longest bone in the human body is, correct answer is option C, that is femur, because femur is a thigh bone and is 50 centimeters long. How many chambers does the human heart have? Correct answer is option C, that is 4. It has 2 arteries and 2 ventricles. Which hormone is responsible for follicle stimulation? FSH, because FSH stimulate growth of ovarian follicles in the females. Virus replication time is approximately, correct answer is option B, that is 70 seconds. Bacteria replication time is approximately, that is option B, 20 minutes. Virus was first discovered by Levanovsky in, correct answer is option B, that is 1892. Size range of viruses, correct answer is option B, that is 24 to 200 nanometers. RNA in HIV consists of, correct answer is option B, that is 2 identical strands. Because HIV is a retrovirus with 2 copies of single-stranded RNA. Anti-HIV medicines in heart combine, correct answer is option C, that is 3 or more drugs. Flu virus genome has separate pieces of RNA, correct answer is option C, that is 8. Because influenza A virus has 8 segmented RNA pieces. Net gain of ATP in glycolysis is, correct answer is option B, that is 2. Because 4 ATPs are produced, 2 are used and we get a net gain of 2 ATPs. Total ATP produced in glycolysis before net is, correct answer is option B, that is 4. Because 2 ATP are produced at step 7 and the other 2 are produced at step 10. NADH produced in glycolysis is, correct answer is option B, that is 2. Because 2 NADH produced during oxidation of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. ATP produced in a single Krebs cycle is, correct answer is option A, that is 1. Because 1 GTP produced per Krebs cycle and is converted to ATP. 1 acetyl group generates, correct answer is option C, that is 12 ATP. Because 1 acetyl coenzyme A produces 3 NADH, 1 FeDH2 and 1 GTP, which is equivalent to 12 ATP. 1 palmitic acid breaks down into, correct answer is option C, that is 8 acetyl groups. Because palmitic acid is carbon 16, so beta oxidation gives 8 acetyl coenzyme A. Loop of Henle role in the kidney. It concentrates urine because it creates osmotic gradient via countercurrent multiplier to reabsorb water and salts. Functional unit of the kidney is nephron because nephron filters blood and forms the urine. Fetus connects to mother via umbilical cord. An umbilical cord contains 2 arteries and 1 vein for the nutrient and gaseous exchange. Enzyme that keeps DNA strands separated during replication is helicase, because helicase unwinds the double helix single-stranded binding proteins, then keep the strands apart. Enzymes that joins DNA fragments is DNA ligase, and it seals it by forming the phosphodiester bonds. During inspiration, the diaphragm contracts and flattens. This increases thoracic volume so air is drawn into the lungs. HIV outer structure, that is envelope, refers to the outer lipid membrane surrounding the viral capsid, because it is derived from the host cell membrane and has viral glycoproteins. Ribosome is made of proteins and ribosomal RNA, and eukaryotic ribosomes have 60S and 40S subunits. Nucleotide is made of sugar, phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base, and these are the basic building blocks of DNA and RNA. Structure that controls heartbeat or heart rate. Correct answer is medulla oblongata. It is also called the cardio-regulatory center. Hormone that maintains the endometrium during pregnancy is the progesterone hormone. It is secreted by corpus luteum and later by the placenta. Cells that secrete testosterone are leading cells. They are also called interstitial cells and they are found in the testes. During membrane potential generation, ATP binds to the sodium-potassium ATPase pump, which pumps 3 sodium out and 2 potassium in per ATP hydrolyzed. Total number of bones in the adult human body is 206, and if we break down this, so we have 80 axial bones and 126 appendicular bones. Smallest bone in the human body is stapes, and it is located in the middle ear and is 2.8 mm long. Largest sesamoid bone in the human body is patella, commonly known as the kneecap. Bone forming cell is called osteoblast. It synthesizes and secretes the bone matrix. Bone reabsorbing cells is called osteoclast. It breaks down the bone tissues during the remodeling. Mature bone cells is called osteocytes because mature osteoblast that is trapped in the bone lacunae. Total number of vertebrae in human vertebral column are 33. And if we break down it, so we have 7 cervical, 12 thoracic, 5 lumbar, 5 sacral, and 4 coaxial fused human vertebrae. Number of pair of ribs in the human body is 12 pairs, and in total we have 24 ribs. Total number of bones in the skull, we have 22 bones, and if we break down it, so we have 8 cranial bones and 14 facial bones. Here comes the section B, that is of chemistry. So enzyme is a biological catalyst because enzymes are biological catalysts, mostly proteinaceous in nature. Protein is a polymer of, correct answer is option C, that is amino acids, because amino acids join by peptide bond to form the proteins. SI unit of force is Newton because force is equals to m into A, and its SI unit is Newton, which is equivalent to 1 kg meter per second square. RNA is composed of nitrogenous base, sugar and phosphate group. Which of the following has a pi bond? Ethene has pi bond because double and triple bonds contain pi bonds, and ethene has carbon-carbon double bond. Which of the following has only sigma bonds? So correct answer is option C, that is ethene, because single bonds are only sigma bonds and ethane has only carbon-carbon single bond and carbon-hydrogen single bond. Which reagent distinguishes aldehyde from ketones? So it is Tollens reagent because aldehydes gives a positive silver mirror test with Tollens reagent. Activation energy for this reaction without a catalyst is 86 kilojoules because uncatalyzed decomposition has high activation energy. And activation energy for the same reaction with catalyst is 1 kilojoules because catalyst lowers the activation energy drastically. Optimum pH for pepsin is 1.5 to 1.6. Pepsin works best in highly acidic stomach environment. Optimum pH for trypsin is 7.8 to 8.7 because trypsin works best in alkaline small intestine. Fisher proposed the lock and key model for enzymes in 1890. Hybridization of alkynes is correct answer is option C, that is sp, because alkynes have carbon-carbon triple bonds with linear geometry and sp hybridization. Simplest carboxylic acid is formic acid because it has only one carbon atom. Oxidation is defined as loss of electrons, whereas it is also increase in oxidation state. And you can memorize this with the mnemonic of oil and rig. Oil for oxidation is loss. Which loss? Loss of electrons. And reduction is gain of electrons. Oxidation state of krypton in K2Cr2O7. So its oxidation state is +6, and you have to memorize this concept very sharply because this is the most repeated concept of KMU-CAT. All sigma bonds are present in alkanes because alkanes have only single bonds which are sigma bonds. Pi bonds are present in alkenes and alkynes because double bond have one sigma and one pi bond, whereas triple bonds have one sigma and two pi bonds. Bromine water test is used for testing unsaturation because bromine adds across double and triple bonds and loses its brown color. Sterilization of utensils uses which type of light? So they use UV light because it kills microbes by damaging DNA. The behavior of a gas is non-ideal at low temperature and high pressure because at these conditions the intermolecular forces and volume become significant. Which has the strongest bonding in the solid state? Correct answer is sodium chloride. In which device do we measure electric current intensity? We use ammeter because it is used to measure the current, and very important thing that it is connected in series. Which device do we measure potential difference? So we use voltmeter to measure the potential difference, and one more important thing that it is connected in parallel. The heat energy dissipated by a 40-watt bulb in 1 hour is correct answer is option C. तो बच्चों एनर्जी फाइंड आउट करने के लिए आप उसका फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे पावर इनटू टाइम और 40 वॉट इनटू 3600 सेकेंड्स करेंगे तो आपके पास आंसर आ जाएगा दैट इज ऑप्शन सी. If two streams of proton move parallel to each other in the same direction, then they attract each other because parallel currents falling in the same direction attract magnetically, similar to the parallel current carrying wires. If we increase the length of a simple pendulum, the time period increases because time period is directly proportional to length. Beats are produced from two waves of slightly different frequency because superposition of two close frequencies causes waxing and waning of amplitude. Avogadro law states equal volume of gases at the same temperature and pressure contain equal number of molecules, that is V directly proportional to N. Because 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 L at STP. Maximum resistance is obtained when resistors are connected in series. Because in series it gives maximum value. Escape velocity on the moon is approximately. Correct answer is 2.38 km per second. Because it is much lower than Earth's, that is 11.2 km per second due to lower gravity and radius. Unit of electric field intensity. Correct answer is Newton per coulomb, which has equivalency equal to watt per meter, because electric field is equals to force by charge. Unit of potential difference is volt, and 1 volt is equals to 1 joule per coulomb, which is a derived SI unit. Correct answer is option, that is Newton, because SI base units are mass, length, time, current, temperature, amount of substance and luminous intensity. Newton is derived from these, so it is derived SI unit. Section D starts that's of English logical reasoning. Antonym of optimist is pessimist, because optimist is positive thinker and pessimist is negative thinker. Next number in series 5, 10, 20, 40 is 80, because it is a pattern of multiply by 2. You'll multiply each number by the 2 and you'll get the next number. The next number in series is, correct answer is 42. It has a pattern of plus 4, plus 6, plus 8, plus 10 and plus 12. And there you go for the answer, that is 42. All professors are scientists and some scientists are teachers. So all the professors are scientists. Is the statement, the conclusion, correct or incorrect? Answer is incorrect. Gene is to genetics as fossil is to paleontology, because gene is studied in genetics and fossil is studied in paleontology. All scientists are doctors, some doctors are teachers. So answer is that some teachers may be scientists. तो ये था KMU-CAT फर्स्ट टेस्ट का कंप्लीट पेपर। उम्मीद है ये वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रही होगी। अगर आपको किसी क्वेश्चन में डाउट है तो आप ज़रूर कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हैं। वीडियो को लाइक करना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा, ताकि आने वाले अगले टेस्ट पेपर, स्पेसिफिकली KMU-CAT 2026 सेकेंड टेस्ट और अपडेट्स आपसे मिस ना हो। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।